Welcome to the Fram Proving Grounds, where filters are put to the test to help make sure failure isn't a part of your engine's life. The Hell Test is housed within Fram's Vibration Lab. It's not an everyday test, and good thing, because it's not a friendly place for a filter. The lab goes beyond the daily testing to focus on problem solving and even further innovation.
If you see an engine running, it's going to be shaking. And in different conditions, it can shake pretty hard. You start accelerating hard, and jackrabbit starts. You can get some severe shocks. So the vibration part of the durability test is to assure that you're not going to get a failure on the engine with a filter under different conditions of vibration.
Vibration cycles are typically run from 10 to 250 hertz. But the test doesn't stop there. Fram engineers can add extreme temperatures from 60 below to as high as 300 degrees, all to help closely simulate a variety of real-world conditions.
We're going to simulate what this engine will see when someone goes from a start position on the engine, hits the gas and gets up to 30 miles an hour, then driving down the road for a short amount of time, backing down to a stop sign, and then taking off again. So the engine will typically see during that cycle possibly going in vibration from 10 to 250 hertz and possibly up to a maximum of 6G loading, maybe on a hard acceleration, where the engine will shake pretty violently.
Other simulations can be even more taxing to the filter.
We're simulating here like a driver going down a rough road. It might be in the wintertime, a lot of potholes. So it's really hitting a lot of displacement. The suspension's getting severely shaken and the whole engine compartment's shaking. Pretty good stress on the filter. Really what we're trying to find here is, does the filter leak? Does the filter back off? And potentially can fall off and lose oil pressure.
The harsh conditions of cold, heat, pressure, vibration. Again, Fram not just withstands, but passes the tests. See more of the Fram Proving Grounds at fram.com.